A common cause for this error is disabled or malfunctioning Windows Update services, such as Windows Update, BITS, or cryptographic services. If these services are not running properly, Windows may fail to download or validate KB5089573, causing the security update warning to appear. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type SFC/Scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop woo-serve. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop MSI server. Type renc/windows/software distribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 catroot2.old. Type netstart woo-serve. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type netstart MSI server. Type Exit, and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes.